to another video of LeetCode Daily Challenge Streak Series, and in today's video we have a new question that says missing number. Given an array nums containing n distinct numbers in the range 0, n, return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. So you will be given an array like this and you're supposed to return the missing element among the given range of elements. Now if you consider 3, 0, 1 here, and since the question says that the numbers go from 0 to n, so let's consider 3, 0 and 1. Okay, let's consider 3, 0 and 1. Now here if you carefully observe, we have 3 elements. Okay, so we have 3 elements and okay, we have 3 elements here and the range starts from 0. If it goes till 3, what elements do we want? 0 we have, 1 we have, since n equal to 3 elements. So next element that we'll have is 2. But do we have 2 here? No, we don't have 2. So 2 is the missing element. Now next, 0, 1. Again, what is n value here? N is equal to 2. Correct? N is equals to 2. So the range will go from 0, 1 and 2. Okay, the range is from 0 to 2. Now what do we have in the given array? 0, 1. Correct? We have 0, 1. Now if we start from 0, 1, we have 0 here, we have 1, but do we have 2? No, we don't have 2. Correct? So we'll be returning 2 as the answer. Let's take our last example. Let me just copy paste this thing. Now what is n here? N, since we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So since we have 9 elements, n is equals to 9. So we are supposed to have all the elements from 0, 9. Do we have 0? Yes, we do. 1 we have, 2 we have, 3 we have, 4 we have, 5 we have, 6, 7. Do we have 8? No, we don't have 8. So we'll return. So what we are doing simply, we are considering a for loop from the range 0, n. Okay, n here is inclusive. Okay, we are going, and anytime we encounter an element that is not in this particular array, we are going to return it. Okay, so what we are doing first, n is equal to length of nums. Okay, after that, for I in range, since it says 0, n, where 0 and n are inclusive, so 0, n plus 1. You write n plus 1 because n plus 1 is not inclusive here. So this range will go from 0 to n. What are we doing here? If I not in nums. Okay, if we come across any element that is not in nums, we shall return it. Okay, now let me just clear this off. Let's quickly run the code. Let's just submit it. All right, this works. Now talking about the time complexity, since we are iterating over all the elements here, okay, we might iterate till the last element there. So the time complexity would be O of n, since we have n elements. What's the space complexity here? We are not using any additional space to store anything. So space complexity would be O of 1. Thank you guys.